All right, welcome back to Your Carolina. Look at there. You are seeing through the eyes. Well, they're not really seeing.
Raise
You
them
can
up a
kind of
little bit.
see
Raise them
that.
up a little. You can see the spectrum of colors of the rainbow. How
Which-
many colors are there? 7.
Roy G. Biv.
That's right.
Right?
Roy G. Biv.
Yay, very good.
Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet.
Oh man, every parent should buy these for their kid. I love these.
Absolutely.
They're not 3D glasses.
They are not 3D glasses. Nope. They're
just
rainbow glasses,
rainbow
actually.
glasses.
Yep.
Okay.
And we learn about the visible light portion of the electromagnetic spectrum.
Oh, don't get
very,
so
very
Because we
cool.
can't
I know.
Because
just
you
get
can't
so
just
carried
order the
away.
rainbow, right?
Right.
They're rare.
Exactly, exactly. So it's summertime, almost, right? So we shift gears now. We do fun science programming outdoors. We
Okay.
we
And no
we launch
volcanoes this
rockets.
time.
No,
You
not
brought a
really
volcano
volcanoes.
last time.
No.
No, we did that
We
last time.
do a lot of stuff with water because it's hot and kids love to enjoy themselves and get wet.
Can we introduce you, Daniel Shaw, President and
let's do that.
CEO of High Touch High Tech?
But I really go by Dinosaur Dan.
That's
Dinosaur
right.
Dan.
Wait, that's
Remember
how,
that?
That's how we
I
know
know,
you.
I smelled your breath, and that's probably why, yes. Dinosaur Dan.
Right.
So what is the baggie of water?
Well, here's just your typical sandwich bag, and we've got some water in it.
I feel
and
like Jack showing off a magic trick here.
yeah. Well, now I've got some sharpened pencils, and believe it or not, I'm going to stick this pencil
Oh, no, so
right
Jack
through the
needs to
bag.
hold this
Jack's going to hold the bag.
Okay. I get back
right.
to holding the bag.
Are we ready? Yeah, me too.
Okay,
All right, are we
we got
ready?
something through there.
Here we go.
Okay, we're
One.
Okay, notice, his
2.
hands never leave his arms at any time. Okay, am I
Okay.
impressed?
Incredible.
Look
Can
at
you see
that.
that?
All right, Kimberly, are you going to do one now, please?
And we're
yeah,
in deep
sure.
trouble as
Now, just
soon
don't
as we
stick it in the
pull
same
the
hole.
pencil
Just
out.
another
all right,
hole.
just another one, and
Let's
there
see
we
it go through.
All right.
All
I'm the one
right.
that pulls them out.
Yeah, right. All right, Jack, I'm going to take this from you because I'm going to allow you to
You're
do
gonna let
one.
me do it.
Yeah.
All right, here
Keep
we
it
go.
steady.
Good and
Well, the
steady.
same thing will happen,
good,
right?
Good and steady.
Yep.
All right.
All
Dinosaur.
right. Look at that.
well.
Now, what is going on? You know, water molecules just love other water molecules, and they hold hands really tight.
It's a
called
very
cohesion.
adhesive,
yeah.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
called cohesion.
Right.
Right. So that's what's happening here. The water molecules are holding on really tight, and they're not letting go. And that's how we have this really cool
And you can do that at
demonstration.
your house, and it's so
Yeah,
cool.
exactly. Just need some sharpened pencils, some water, and any Ziploc bag will
What-
do.
what-
Dinosaur Dan,
what's the
don't you
drink you
do
brought in?
stuff? Don't you have
Do not
summer
drink
camps
that.
and stuff like that? I know you go to school.
We do. We go out to summer camps, preschools, after-school
Find out how to get
programs.
in touch with you.
Yeah, absolutely. It's sciencemadefun.gsp.net
Okay.
is the great way to find us.
But this is lemonade,
No,
right?
do not
That
drink
came
that.
from the
We're
urologist.
gonna.
I know. Oh, that's
No, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna learn about the atmosphere, and we
my
blow bubbles.
Yeah. You know what that looks like?
Oh, look at that.
What the heck
it's a-
is that anyway?
It's
in
a
there?
bubble sundae.
It's just a bubble sundae.
What's
That's
that
exactly
liquid in
right. That's water with
Thank you.
some Joy liquid soap.
Thank you.
And now we take a flashlight and we can shine the flashlight across the surface of the bubbles, and that's how we learn about our atmosphere and what goes on in our
Oh,
atmosphere.
how neat
Right.
is that?
Any lesson in global warming in there, Dinosaur Dan?
Well, we talk a lot about global warming because it's a serious
That's
issue,
right.
of course. And we can do fun things like stick it back in right through the bubble without
Yeah.
popping any bubbles. And
Dan, let me ask you a question.
Yes.
Did you fall out of the crib on your head as a kid? Is that why you're the way you are? Because you're definitely a neat kind of weird guy. You know?
dinosaur.
oh,
We
well,
love it
thank
when
you very, very much.
You're
Yeah.
neat.
You're
Yeah.
giving parents
Well, thanks.
some great ideas. Give us a website as we get out of here.
ScienceMadeFunGSP.net.
Okay.
Oh,
All
now,
right.
and
What other?
anything lined up this summer, though, that folks can
Yeah,
see?
oh, absolutely. We're at individual camps around the Greenville-Spartanburg area in
Right.
the upstate, western North Carolina. They just give us a call.
And you list it on the website.
Yep, and on our website we have all of our summer camp programming that we offer.
Right.
We also do science birthday parties.
Oh.
It's
I
great
almost
stuff.
said that it would be the best thing to have a birthday party, but I didn't know
Yeah.
if you did that.
Oh, absolutely. We do them.
What
a lot of fun.
cool party that would be.
And every generation of child thinks they discovered dinosaurs, right? Speaking of dinosaurs.
Yeah, yeah.
They all think they
Yeah.
discovered them, right?
Sure.
Yeah, that's great. Well, we all love them.
Yes.
And get some therapy, Dan. We'll have you back on again real soon.
No.
Well, I'm looking
Don't,
forward to
because
coming
we love
back.
the crazy
I
things
am,
you
and I got more fun things to bring next time I come on
I
the
want
show.
you to come back. That's
Okay.
right.
Dinosaur Dan never lets us down. What do we got
No.
coming up on the show?
Well, we're going to be toasting the town in Spartanburg to help the Salvation Army and some kids, and it's going to be a lot of fun to let you know how you can be a part of it at the Chapman Cultural Center. It's called, again, Toast of the Town. Come
You know
back and be with us for that just
you know what toast rhymes with, don't you?